Raining now. It's raining now. So it's raining outside now. It's raining out there. You can hear the sound of the rain. You can see it there. Put the flash on. Flash on. Yeah, see the rain? Yeah, see it better now, see? It's raining now outside. Raining outside now. Yep. And thunder is going on. So it's still hot inside the house, still hot. Because the heat is trapped inside, so the house is still hot. So that's what's going on. We're having a little rain. The breeze feels cool, so I might crack the door, meanwhile I'm doing something in the kitchen, and see how it goes. So that's what's going on. We're getting some rain now, and thunder is going on. All right. Peace out, my people. Love or no.